I'm Aaron, and I'm going to show you how to do laundry while staying in RIT's dorms. First step is to grab your dirty laundry in a basket or bag, whichever way you prefer to transport it. In dorms, the laundry rooms are in the tunnels. They were all renovated in the last year. There are maps posted throughout to help you find the one closest to you. The rooms are ID card locked, so you will need to bring yours to get in. Next, locate an empty washing machine. The machines have several different settings to wash the way you prefer. Once all your clothes are in, put in your detergent, shut the door, set your settings, and turn on the machine. Don't forget to set an alarm so you remember when it's done. This also lets everyone use the machines as efficiently as possible. You don't have to stay in the laundry room the whole time. When time's up, take out your laundry, close the door but not all the way, and turn off the machine. Next, you can place your load in the dryer. I always check the lint trap to ensure it's empty and look under it to see if anyone else left a sock behind. Put a few dryer sheets on top of your load. Just like with the washing machine, you can change the settings to whatever you like. When that's finished, empty the lint trap with one of the used dryer sheets. Also, check under to make sure you grabbed everything. Close the door all the way, turn off the machine, and you're done.